Hello again. Right, today we're going to do a quick unboxing of a chainsaw that I've just got. Quite a nice looking little tool. I've read up quite a bit about them, heard quite a bit about them. Apparently it's supposed to be one of the best 10-inch battery chainsaws around. Oh, a lot of people claim that, but let's wait and see. Firstly, because I've not even got it out, I need to do a quick unboxing and then we can go through and see what we've got. It came quite presentably in another box as well as this, so when that came out of it, it was in good nick. Inside the box, I haven't got anything out yet, as I said. We've got first a bag, a little surprise because I don't want to be putting a chainsaw in a bag. Okay, we'll see. And another one of them. Buy all my tools, please. Stickers, yes. Some instructions. Standard instruction booklet and safety use and such leaflets. Okay, then I use it. Then we've got, come a bit closer. That's better. You don't need to see me, you need to see the items. Okay, we've got here a tool and a spare blade, or is it the only blade? Probably the only blade. Oil. They've given us a litre of oil. That's useful. That tells me it needs oil. Right, I didn't know that. I know the petrol ones need oil, but yeah, I guess logic tells you it does. The body. What can I say about it at the moment? Not a lot. It feels quite comfortable, it feels nice, it's compact, it's extremely clean, which it won't be for long. You've got a button there, I guess that's power, and then your oil's going in there, and your battery port there. Good handle, good brake. Yep. Okay, that's nice, nice looking. And then we've got the blade itself. Good, a guard. And the 10-inch blade. So this is the 10-inch one. It's actually the DUC 254Z, because probably Z means it doesn't come with anything. It is a brushless motor. BL motor. BL motor? Don't know what that means, but it is brushless. EXL. These could be all Makita terms that I'm not familiar with, and Makita fans out there, you probably will be. Belt clip hanging on the belt, yeah, could be. Seems useful, seems an idea. Here we've got a increase and decrease. I will learn what that's for. Won't be tensioning a bit on this side, yeah, there. Okay, right, well that's what's in the box, there's nothing else in there. Let's discard the box, we don't need that. Piece of cardboard, we don't need that. Polybag, we don't need that. Let's open the bag. Take out the one and only tool, which I think I've got quite a few of them now. Being that we've got different types of chainsaws. Now, the one and only blade, we'll definitely need to get more. I've got loads for the other one. For the petrol one. Keep that until I bought some more blades. That way I'm sure what I'm getting. And there's the blade. Lovely. Okay, on the side there. Shall we, before we start, look at putting some oil in and have it run a little bit before we put the chain on. Warning, this chainsaw is for use by trained tree service operators only. Use without proper training can result in serious injury. I think that's the case with all sharp tools, but I guess they cover their back, they have to say it. Okay, so in the instructions it will tell us to put the blade on straight away, but I don't want to put the blade on straight away. I want to just make sure it's not going to leak if I put oil in. find out. Right, so oil goes into there, and we've got an indicator which shows us when we're full and not. A tool. I missed it. There we go. Right. I want a funnel. Have I got a funnel? A funnel. Funnel, funnel, funnel. Yep. There's a funnel. There's a little funnel. I don't want to get on my nice clean new tool all dirty straight away. I think that's probably enough. Put that in there to drain off. You like to make the effort when it's new. Yeah, won't keep up to it. Right, let me just now check. Yes, I can see there where the full is and where it's not. So it is full. That's good. Let's shove a battery on and just see what controls do what. While we see. Plenty of power? Plenty of power. Nothing. Turn on? Turn on. Wow. That's not what I'm used to hearing from a chainsaw. But I can feel the power on it. That's good. And off? Nothing. That's good as well. I like that. Okay, let's get it assembled. Like with old chainsaws, you take this off, you take the cover off, you put the blade on. Here's the blade. Put the chain on. And if you don't know how a chain goes, it's going to spin that way. You need the blades to be that way. That's the wrong way around. So, I'll put it that way around. That's it. They always cut downwards from the toe. Get it all laid up, lined up, set it in. And place it in. Into its home point. There. And feed the blade round where it wants to be. Round there, that's it. And forward. Oops, it's come out. Ah, we are well and truly forward. So, screwdriver. And that to come right back. That's your adjuster. This pin here, travelling back. I'd have expected with it from the factory to have been roughly in the right place to start with, but there you go. Right, once again, load up the blade, place it over its hole, and find that black. That's it, we've got it. So, place the teeth on, over the black, and in we go. Now, we can tension back up again. A little. Which way am I going? Which way am I going? Do you know? Better off doing it that way. Right. Yeah, I want to go that way. Okay. For the third time. No panic, no rush. There we have it. Right, we're in. Okay. Now, you can just leave this now and put the cover on and then do it, but I just want you to see it doing it so you can see what's happening. And there we are. See? Now, we're in. It's in there. That's your locating pin and it gives you a tensioner. And we're now tensioned. as you can see, everything running nice and smoothly. You put your cover on, that's just your chipping thrower, and that should be right to stop it going too deep. Put it on so that's in there. That's it, like so. Yes, that feels okay. And bring that down. Nope, something's not right at the back end there. It doesn't just drop on. Must look in somehow. Let's have another look at that. Learn it properly. Okay, just put it on there first, that's all. Right, once you've got this pretty much down, just check the tension. That's a little bit slack, just a little for me. Increase. That's better. And then lock it off. There. Onboard tool storage? No, there won't be. Never is. Okay, power on. Yeah, that's a nice tool. Well, I'm not going to take it out and cut and sort and such, but you can see yourself there what kind of tool it is. On off is there. Safety trigger. On and press. But you've got the guard on. You want the brake on to stop anybody pressing it accidentally. Always keep the cover on, and we've got our belt hook there. Other than that, that's about it. This bit here, I think, yeah, it increases the amount of drops of oil that you're getting in. So if it looks like it's running dry, increase it there. And that's all. Oil indicator is there. Again, very easy, very self-explanatory. This is just a quick run through with you in a close-up position. We've got simply the tool, the blade, the chain guard, there. The brake is there. On top you've got your power switch, safety switch, trigger. At the side you've got your oil indicator is there, and at the top there, increase, decrease the amount of drips and drops that you give it to the chain. Round the other side, all we're looking at here is the tensioner. Slacken, adjust to tension. And there you've got your chipping disperser. Back you've got your belt hook, and finally the battery. And there you have a very nice little chainsaw. What is this for? I don't know. Don't be silly. No. No. No, not even for that. Do you know, I don't want to use it. It's not for anything. Right. They'll probably want to put all the paperwork and stuff like that in it. But that's it. Okay, so there you are. That is the DCU 254Z chainsaw. 10-inch brushless, cordless chainsaw. Nice and convenient. Throw it in the van. You ever got any trees in your way, you can get rid of them. You can also chop up your floor joists and all kinds of other things. So it will come in very useful. Right, well I hope you found that interesting. If you did, give us a like. If you haven't subscribed already, please do that as well. You need to subscribe. You get all these beautiful videos that I keep making. Or keep trying to make. Anyway, subscribe. Hit the bell button. You'll get the notification. Apparently there's a little all box as well that you need to hit. That way you'll get all of them, otherwise you won't get any of them. Even though you've subscribed and you've hit the bell button, you still apparently don't get them. So do all that for me, and give me some comments about what you think of this tool. If you've got one, tell me about it, because I ain't used it yet. I've got, hold on, a chainsaw popper, that is a petrol one, and this. which is designed to go with a Makita, but really, I cut through a couple of bits of 3x2 and it started smoking. So, it could be dangerous. It doesn't have a guard, it doesn't have a safety locks, it has nothing. So, even for pruning, careful. But this type I've never used before, so it'll be interesting to see what they're like. And if you have done, then I'd appreciate some information about them. Otherwise, once again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you again next time. Bye for now.